Hey guys, I'm playing IKEA, Escape them from IKEA, whatever you want to call it. Here's basically nice. I'm gonna go up here. I filmed another one, but I didn't have my microphone on, so I had to redo the whole entire thing. It's very bad, but I can get over that tragedy. Right? Right. Okay, we're gonna, we're actually gonna take this light. Oh, and then we're gonna bring it up here because I don't need I need light in my life. And I don't want to die. Tomorrow is gonna be the blood night. The blood rain. Either one is too bad. You know what? Since I can't handle being in this, I'm sorry about this garbage of a place. Because literally, no, I'm not gonna. No, thank you, no. Okay. Sorry that I was so silent, guys. Sorry. You're my favorite thing. Do you know what that is? It's this. There you go. Brightest light in the world. Okay, you know what? This is not too bad. Yeah, I know the store's closed, but I'm gonna camp out in here. I think right there is food. Can't tell, it's too dark outside. I'm gonna get on ground base because I feel like it. Okay, still gonna come for me even if I'm up here. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that because I'm surviving. I'm not getting attacked by you fellow employees. So for the night, I really need a bunker up. Bunker. So should I set? Oh, I see him right there. Yeah. That's who's saying, exit the building. Yeah. No. Oh, please, I'm sorry. You know, I'm just gonna wait. Don't care. Just don't wanna die. No, I'm just gonna garbage. That one. I don't care. Getting as far away as I can. I know. Put a diagonal. Because, oh my god. That was quite literally scary. How did he get up? it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. That scared the living bejeebies out of me. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, I don't wanna. You scare me too much. Okay. Oh, dear Lord. Thank God. Okay. Dear Lord and thank God. Okay, let's go this way. Wait, no. How did he get up? That felt way too long. Oh, so that's how. Oh, that's how he got up. Oh my God. So annoying. Okay, but seriously, like, oh my God. So you're telling me that the employee just climbed up and yoinked me? Like, no. What was the food thing that I saw? What was it even food at all? But like, still, that was scary. Like whenever it comes, I just go in the full panic mode. I'm like, nope. What's in there? What's there? The scrubby brush. Yeah. Yes, guys, I know. I call it the scrubby brush, okay? Don't judge. Yeah, hi, buddy. You know what? I'm actually just gonna bring you with me because I'm gonna make a little house out of it. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna make a house out of you. So, fine. I'll make a house. So I'm gonna take you away. And I'm going to do something very risky. No. It's a risky decision, but I'm in for it. So that I can, you know what, no, I have to pull it out. No, I'm stuck. No. No, so we're gonna actually, so do I like climb in like that, and then do I just like bring it up like that? Yeah, I think that's how you do it. And now I just need to, oh, okay. Man. Okay, so this is important. You need to stay calm. Oh, okay, you know what? Why did I just go in there? You know you're gonna get stuck, Sophie. Like, you know you're gonna get stuck. Why do it? Just to make sure yeah, okay, yes. I can fit. Made sure of that. So I have a couple waypoints. I have one up there. In case of any emergencies, that's one of the safe bases or whatever you want to call it. Home base. whatever. This is just my little mini house. I'll mark it right here. Right here, waypoint. Wait. Where's it? I was just gonna say, where's my waypoint? No. Why would I ever do that? It's too evil. So here, let's do my, whatever you want to call it. Your lighting area. No. Okay. So, batch. They're uneven. Bring you down a bit. They're still uneven. No, fine, like that. You know, it looks pretty good, but still, it's not as good. As good. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna peace out. What? Excuse me? Did I die because of food?